Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Mumbai से Manchester. Um, आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं Carabao Cup game against Brighton. We are playing them again, a bit of a deja vu. Hopefully our performance will be better. Obviously, result should be the same, but we hope the performance is better and we win this one convincingly. Um, Ashay, what are your first thoughts before we get into the predicted starting lineup and um, match tactics?
About Brighton, at the end of the second final whistle, last game में, I think only Bruno had the authority to, celebrate जो गोल मारा वो. बाकी के सब लोग वापस रूम जाने चाहिए थे क्योंकि इतना घटिया गेम था लास्ट टाइम का. But अभी the good thing about having a terrible game is that it only gets better, no? So fingers crossed.
So I think Bruno, the assist for Rashford was really good.
And Bruno set up the second goal also for the own goal.
Correct. And the penalty was good as well. Smashing penalty, top right corner. Right. But I think when we were leading 2-1, he should have marked the guy at the far post. बैक पोस्ट उनका लेफ्ट फुल बैक आके शॉट लेता है और गोल होता है and Bruno was the closest to him. And now it's debatable whether Van Bissaka should have been there, Bruno should have been there, but looked as if Bruno was marking him. So
correct. And I was a bit confused about the formation we were playing. Last when Bai and one more defender came on, तो वो बहुत confusion था. तो I can cut some slack for Bruno. क्योंकि वो डिफेंडर भी नहीं है, उसका माइंड डिफेंडर जैसे चलता नहीं है. बट या वेरी पुअर परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम आवर बैक फाइव.
Absolutely agree. Chalo, let's get into our predicted starting lineup.
Let's
share my screen. Let me know when you can see this.
Yeah, I can see it.
All right. So let me quickly walk you through the thought process कि ये क्यों हम लोग ये बोल रहे हैं starting lineup रहेगा अपना. पहले तो I'll start with Ole's comments कि he says that it's an opportunity for game time. We need to build up the squad for a long season ahead, and of course it's an opportunity for individuals to impress. At this stage, at the stage we are at, we need to have players ready and available because it's a long season, but we have a strong and big squad. So we have a big squad. I'm not sure about the strong squad, but that leads me to believe, and he also hinted that the lineup is going to be very similar to the one we saw against Luton pehle ke Carabao Cup game. I think Dean Henderson starts. I think no questions there. He had a good performance against Luton, and I'm sure he's going to have a good game tomorrow. Back four mein, I think Luton ke against we had Williams, Maguire, Bailly, and Fosu Mensah, if I'm not wrong. But I think Wan Bissaka, after the stinker that he had last game, he has missed the entire preseason. He lacks match sharpness, so I think he would be played purely because usko minutes chahiye. He needs fitness and sharpness in his legs, so he might play tomorrow and get a chance to redeem himself. Midfield mein similarly, I think Pogba, he has not been in great form. Keeps losing the ball away. Or itna matlab he doesn't look confident on the ball, and I think because of that he needs to play through some a patch of bad form to finally start seeing the best of Pogba. So I think I would give him minutes on the pitch tomorrow. I don't think Oli will. I have put him here in the starting lineup. I think tomorrow Oli will put Fred and McTominay.
पूरा time नहीं मिलेगा, but I hope he gets time.
Yeah. I think the three behind the striker, Van der Beek is I think the first name on the team sheet after Henderson.
Correct.
But Van der Beek will start for sure. James, I'm not sure with the transfer speculation that he might leave for Leeds. Uska thoda question mark hai. Maybe it will be Lingard, Van der Beek, and Mata. But it might be James as well. So I would like to see a bit of pace in our front three. So I'll put James, Lingard alongside um, on
Van de
either
Beek.
side of Van de Beek. And I think Martial needs a goal. He needs to. Um, Rashford ने score किया है, Greenwood ने score किया है. Martial needs that goal, so he might play. It might. I wouldn't be surprised if it's Igalo.
Igalo. Yeah.
Yep. Any thoughts here, Ashay?
Nothing apart from, just hoping that Pogba delivers a good performance. Like all the players who are playing right now, they should have a good performance, at least against Brighton, having played Brighton already, last in 1 week.
Yeah.
So that is the only outcome we are expecting.
Yeah.
बस score prediction, I think मतलब ये जीतना ही चाहिए, क्योंकि ब्राइटन का अभी हमें समझ गया है अपन कि ब्राइटन कैसे खेलते हैं और उन्होंने क्या टेक्निक्स यूज किए अपने अगेंस्ट लास्ट वीक. सो बट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई 1-1 आल्सो. कोई गारंटी नहीं है इस टीम पे मेरे को.
So 1-1 स्कोर प्रेडिक्शन मेरा था बिकॉज मुझे नहीं लगता हम लोग क्लीन शीट रख पाएंगे. आई होप आई एम रॉन्ग, बट मुझे नहीं लग रहा है हम लोग क्लीन शीट रख पाएंगे ये गेम में. एंड आई डोंट थिंक इफ वी प्ले दिस लाइनअप, Lingard, James, along with Martial, Van de Beek, I don't think we can score 2 or 3 goals. I think a goal, maybe a second goal would be a good sort of attacking output for this front four. But you never know. I think likely outcome is 1-1, and आज जैसे Tottenham knock Chelsea out on penalties, we can possibly do the same.
And also with the things going on right now, क्या लगता है देखो इन गेम पेनल्टीज कितने होंगे इस मैच के लिए?
great point है. इन गेम पेनल्टीज हो सकते हैं. By is a potential mistake to happen. वहाँ पे पेनल्टी कंसीड कर सकता है. We saw कि Brandon Williams भी on that flank penalty concede कर सकता है. Although Wan-Bissaka was not great defensively, one-on-ones में I don't think he's that susceptible to conceding penalties in the box. He might lose his man in the box. Might miss a header at the far post, but I think अगर penalty आता है तो it might be by Williams or maybe even Maguire.
Correct. और one more thing I should add to that, तुझे लगता है कि penalty हमारे negligence की वजह से मिलेगा या वो stupid VAR का rule की वजह से मिलेगा?
I hope that the game is not dominated by VAR or refereeing decisions. It's, the most of the talking will be done on the pitch by the players. So I hope वैसे नहीं होता है. But you never know. Yeah, VAR, especially handball rules, or it's debatable. It's debatable.
Yeah.
What is fair and what is not. That can be a separate podcast by itself. So quickly before we wrap up this video, 5 things that we should focus on. As Oliver said, give players minutes. This team needs to build their fitness. They need to build some stamina and need to get their sharpness back. So give players minutes. Especially conceding 2 goals last game against the same opposition, we should focus on keeping our team shape. Ollie focused on the team shape and the form. I think that will be a key focus area. We should use this game to test patterns of play. Set pieces, free kicks, interchanging front three. We should test all patterns of play just so that we go through the rigors of season में क्या combinations हम लोग try करेंगे. Bring the forward line in the game. Last game हम लोग ने we did not do that enough. I think the ball was played too far in the midfield or in the defense. Forward line was not brought into the game. I think that's something that we should do this game. And most importantly, and this is obvious, and although this might sound obvious for every game, but we should get a win under our belt. थोड़ा नेगेटिविटी जो है आफ्टर द ओपनिंग प्रीमियर लीग फिक्चर अगेंस्ट पैलेस जो हम लोग हारे थे, लास्ट मैच भी हम लोग ऐसे कुछ बहुत अच्छा खेल के जीते नहीं है. इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू गेट अ विन अंडर आवर बेल्ट because थोड़ा positivity आएगा. Despite the performance, we can say that we have a three match winning streak, and we can build from there.
Correct. Or I think one more point that we should add over there is that we should dominate possession in this match and dominate it like 70-30 इस scale पे. Because against Brighton last match में भी अपना possession तो घटिया था ही, but we have to work on that.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. Great.
Yep.
I think we have done enough talking. I hope the team does the rest of the talking on the pitch tomorrow. Keep watching, like, share, and subscribe, and let's hope for a win. See you guys.
Yes. Bye.